Welcome back to another video of me and a pile of stuff. I'm a very lucky person who has a very creative family, and my grandmother, who was a seamstress, has recently decided to let go of all of her seamstress related things such as notions and fabrics. So I've decided to go through these boxes with you guys. We'll see what I end up keeping and when I end up donating. I found a few people who were interested in the smaller pieces of fabrics. Anyway, let's just jump right into it, shall we? First box is probably a lot of really small pieces of fabrics because it says that it's clothes for Barbies, which my grandmother used to sew for us a bunch, all her grandchildren, but now little pieces like this are maybe not something that I would personally use in a project. I have found some people online who are willing to pick these up, but I don't want to just like gift it like this. I still want to go through it by principle, I guess. Things like this that have pins in them, I'm gonna remove the pins. I personally don't know what this was supposed to be. I don't think someone else is gonna figure it out, and I don't want to like gift this and then have someone prick their fingers. See, again, pins. I have to be careful and not donate something that will end up hurting someone. Oh, here's a finished piece. Ah, that's so cute. Back when I was younger, I loved when she added fake necklaces like this. It just finishes the piece perfectly. She's so talented. That's crazy. I can't do anything small like this. That's too intricate for me. She made a second one. How cute. Oh, that's cute. I'm gonna keep that. The more I'm going through this and the bigger pieces I'm finding, which is very exciting because I think maybe I could do a kind of patchworky kind of project just to like have one thing with all of these smaller pieces that I wouldn't necessarily donate. Like my grandmother made herself some bias tape. She's so amazing. Tiny bit of tulle, which was perfect for all the dresses that she would make. Voila, first box empty. So far, I'm keeping these two. Maybe someday I'll have a little girl and she'll have twin dolls and they can both be wearing the same dress that my grandmother made. Or I can find a friend who already has a daughter and I can gift this with a doll, and that way the little girl will have something of my grandmother's, because my grandmother loved to make these kinds of things, and I just think it's really sweet to know where these are going. I'm also keeping this. I feel confident I can probably make something. I could maybe like do a patchwork thing with this. We'll see.
I also had a bunch of pattern pieces that were for specific doll clothing shapes. I'm gonna put those to the side.
Next box. Okay, so I've got a pattern for bags. I feel like I've seen this on like so many clothing of Barbies when I was younger. I'm definitely going to be keeping some of this. Ooh, I really like this. It's so pretty. This is also gorgeous. It's way thicker though. I don't know what I would be making with this. I'm going to donate it just because I can't immediately think of what I would do with this, and it's too thick to be worked into a patchwork project with the rest of the cotton stuff that I'm keeping. So this will be donated. Same goes with this kind of fabric. It's kind of like thicker for upholstery maybe. Okay, so there's another box empty. The things I'm keeping from this box are more cottony fabrics that are more bluish in color, and then this pink one, and then some non-woven interfacing. Let's go for another cardboard box. She was making a little vest. It's so cute. Perfect. Third box empty. This is going way better than I thought it would go. So far so good. From this third box, I'm keeping these two pieces of fabrics. Here's another cardboard box. And can we just take a moment to appreciate the actual box? It's like so vintage. It has, I don't know, something to it that just makes me like it a lot. And on the top, it's written Robe Barbie, which is dresses Barbies. Oh, little pants. Ooh, I like this. Very Christmassy. I like to imagine what my grandmother was thinking while she was making these. I feel like this would be a great little jacket for like a business Barbie. So that's the fourth box empty. Am I done with her cardboard boxes? I think I am. This is going really well. This box is full of two bags. This I'm definitely keeping. It's so my style. Imagine if I made like a second pajama with this fabric, like a top or shorts. I don't know how much I have in here. Oh, that was the outside. Look at the inside. It's so much more saturated. Gorgeous. Yeah, I'm excited about this. Oh, little bears. Cute. Ooh, that one has like glitters in it or something. I don't know if you can tell. Empty bag. Ooh, this is really my type of fabric. Look how pretty that is. This is also gorgeous. Look at those little cottages. There's like a whole story in here. I like that. I'm gonna keep that. I don't know why I'm so attracted to anything floral. Like, how pretty is that? A little bit of ribbon. Wonder if I could make something out of this. I think there's enough for me to do something with this. I'm gonna keep this. This is pretty. Oh my, this is gorgeous. But it's so slippery. See, I don't think I know how to sew with this kind of fabric. Maybe I can try with this. You know what? I'm gonna keep this one. There's enough of it that I can try to make something, and if I mess up, then it's okay. This is so Barbie coated, that gingham. It's so nice and fine. It's so gorgeous. I'm gonna keep this. This is also very pretty. I have cookies from when I went and picked up all this stuff, so I'm gonna put these to the side. Like, the more I'm going into this, the more I'm like, oh yes, a patchwork project is exactly what I need to make with these. That way I'm keeping a little bit of everything, and I'm gonna make one project with it. Yeah, this is exciting. Okay, I've got 2 random buttons in here. Another empty bag, which also means that I've got an empty box. I think I'm gonna go through one more box, and we'll see if I go through more than that afterwards. I'm getting a little tired, and I don't want to do this if I'm not in a good mood. I do enjoy these little scarecrows, so I think I'm gonna keep this. This was gonna be so cute. Granny, you're so good at sewing. Look at this little top with like ruffles on the shoulders. She's so talented. I can't do that kind of thing. I'm impressed. I think I'm gonna rapid fire through the rest of this box. It's about halfway through, and I'll be right back. That rapid fire went really well, and I've got another box empty. A nice little collection. I can definitely make something with all of this. That was really fast and really easy. It smells like her. That's crazy. I mean, it's not really, because it's been with her so many years. Oh, it's like a little person working. Can you see that? It's so cute. Okay, so again, this is slippery fabric, but there's such a respectable quantity of it that I'm kind of inclined to keep it. Maybe I can make like a skirt or something with it. Okay, that's another box. Empty. Woohoo! Whale, stars, bird, zebra, reptile, journey. This is just like a random bunch of words. How is this supposed to make any sense? I don't get it. Another box done. I thought this was going to be much harder than it is. Like, in case it was unclear, my grandmother has not passed away. She's only just like giving these to me because she doesn't want them in her space anymore. She doesn't sew anymore. It's too tiring for her. I think that the fact that she's still with me and I can still show her like, hey, look what I'm making with the stuff that you gave me, is making this process so much more easier, because I know that the stuff that I'm donating is going to make some people very happy. It's just not going to serve me. And I know that the stuff that I am keeping is going to serve me. It's going to be a fun project, and I can show her in the end, and she can see all those little pieces of fabrics that were once hers and has now become something that I've made my own. So yeah, that's exciting, and I'm finding joy in this process way more than I thought I would be. I've still got this box full of notions, and I've got 1, 2, 3 more boxes. This one seems to be full of patterns, So I don't think I'm gonna do that today because that's a lot. And I don't know what to do with patterns. I've only started sewing with patterns again very recently, as in a couple weeks ago, and I don't know what to do with this box yet, so I'm gonna put it to the side for now, with all the other pieces of paper and patterns that I had in the other boxes spread out. Future Emily's problem. Ooh, this is so nice and soft. I feel like that color suits me. Does it? I like it. I'm gonna keep it. I've got one more box of fabric. I've got a box of notions and that box of patterns. So I'm gonna finish, I think, with this box, which is fabrics. I'm getting a little tired in case you couldn't tell. Yeah, I'm getting a little overwhelmed by everything that's around me. So yeah, I just want to get this done, but with happiness and gratefulness. Okay, this is some, oh, Phil, yeah, I can keep that for a friend. She does amigurumi, so she'll like that. And I've got some already, so I don't need more. I don't think this is my color. I don't know, I want to keep it. I don't know why. I'm not gonna fight it. If I want to keep it, I'm keeping it. And on that note, that was the last piece of fabric from the last box of fabrics. So that went so much better than I thought it would. I'm kind of speechless. I hope that made sense to some of you guys and was interesting. I'm very happy to be contacting the people who were excited for those donations, so I'm going to do that now. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any comments, don't hesitate to leave them down in the comments below. I'll be sure to answer them as quickly as possible. If you liked the video, you have a like button for that, and if you want to stick around, there's a subscribe button as well. Alright, I'm going to stop rambling now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Ah, puis grand-maman, si t'écoutes la vidéo, merci beaucoup pour tous les dons que t'as fait. J'apprécie grandement. Ok, bye bye!